Good morning to everyone. Myself Amit Kumar Biswas. Currently, I am attached with Don Bosco Convent School, Jhanjharpur in Bihar. Lastly, I was attached with Sudhir Memorial Institute located in Relua, Howrah, West Bengal. In that school, in my first school, I was appointed on 9th of November 2020 as an assistant teacher of sociology subject of grade 12. I used to take history and sociology over there. After that, in the month of January, I got an offer from Don Bosco Convent School, affiliated to CBSE board, to get appointed as a TGT social science teacher over there and take classes from grade 6 to grade 10. I took classes and I was also being appointed also as a class teacher of grade 9 that has been mentioned in my curriculum vitae. I completed my B.Ed from Adamas University in the year 2020 in the month of August, and I completed my graduation in sociology was my major subject, and by side political science and nutrition nutrition was my past papers. I completed it through IGNOU as because I was working in some other company over there. Now focusing on the study here. Right now currently I am taking class 7, 6, 7 and 8. They are social studies subject, primarily history, civics and geography. So now today we are going to discuss something, our new topic, that is resources. Good morning students to all. Now grade 8 topic, resources. First and foremost thing is we need to discuss what is resources, all about what do we mean by resources. Resources are nothing but the thing which helps us to meet our needs. Those are called resources. Just like if a teacher is teaching you, he needs a pen, a paper, a pencil, a board. What are these made of? The things from which these things are made of, these are called resources, because it is meeting the needs of a certain teacher. Or just like students, you students, what you are using? Pen, pencil, rubber, eraser. These are your needs that is required to study, and from which these things are being made of, these are being termed as resources, as because these are your useful needs and these things are meeting your needs. Now when we move on to focus towards resources, there are three parts. One is natural resources. Second one is human resources. And the third one is man-made or human-made resources. Okay. So just now we are moving towards this one. First one is natural resources. What do we mean by natural resources? The resources which we are getting directly from the nature are known as natural resources, just like sunlight, water, air, soil, these wood, leaves of the trees, these are called as natural resources which we are getting naturally from our earth to meet our needs. Just like to make the furniture of a school, just like on the bench which you are sitting on is a wooden bench. So requirement was for the school and the requirement was fulfilled by the wood. So wood was the resource, wood became the resource of the school to meet up the needs. Okay, now when we move towards human resources, what are the human resources? The community, the family. Man thus only doesn't need the things also, the surroundings, the environments, the people who are staying nearby, the neighbors, the community peoples, the religious peoples, those are also called as human resources, meeting the human needs. Just like when you're born in a family, family members are there, okay, those are your colleagues, they are making you a resource, they are helping you out, okay. Now when after that when you go to school, you meet with friends, you build up a community over there, okay, those are called school resources, making you a resource, you are the part of that resource building area, okay. Now moving towards man-made resource or human-made resource. What is this all about? Suppose soil is being given to you and a task is being given that you need to make a brick, because brick was needed to build a building. So when you are transforming the soil to make a brick, for the ambition is to make a building, for that you need a brick and you are making a brick from the soil, so you are converting it by using the human skills, knowledges, that is called human resources or human made resources, because it was made by human, just like bridges, just like trains, just like cars which you are moving, just like school bus which you use every day to come to school, those are called human made resources. Just like it is a pen, okay, it is also called human made resources as because it was made by a human by using their skillful techniques and all. So that's all for the today's class. We will discuss this topic in the next class also. Thank you students. Have a nice day.